Do you have kids? Do you have a girl or wife or spouse that likes to ride on your bike with you? Pets that live in your garage? Do you trailer your bike? If so, listen up. I have a gift for you. I use SKNZ saddlebag covers to protect my paint, my speakers, and everything that I have inside, and I've reached out to them to get a special discount for you. It's promo code Graybeard. Pretty easy to remember. I got these after my saddlebag started filling up with rain at Daytona Bike Fest last year. Now, if you saw that video, you know that I didn't need anything else to go wrong on that trip. So, when I got back, first thing I did was look for a solution. I use SKNZ saddlebag covers to protect my paint, my speakers, and everything that I have inside. Now I'm going to do a motorcycle cover review for them soon, so click the little notification bell so you can be sure to know when that video comes up. In the interim, they're giving you 10% off anything you order on their site if you use promo code Graybeard. Like I said, it's good for anything on their site, whether it's, saddlebag covers, motorcycle covers, whatever else they might have. Just add the promo code Graybeard and it'll be discounted in your cart before you check out. It's super easy. It's a great product, I think. So until next time, stay free and keep the shiny side up.